Herng-FA Industrial Company Limited was established in 1993. Herng-FA is specializing to provide the yarn fabric processing manufacturing services. Herng-FA develops based on providing textile fabrics and owns extensive experiences in yarn processing, manufacturing, and material control technology. By highly customized as competitive advantage and through continuous product improvement and resource investment, Herng-FA shows a fast, effective, and economical mode of production. Cultivating yarn manufacturing industry, production innovation. Under the impetus of globalization, Herng-FA has become a mature supplier of yarn. With continuous investment in resources, breakthroughs in innovation, and accumulation of experience, and through strict quality requirements, Herng-FA has developed a series of high-quality and competitively priced products and has a capability to take large number of orders. Herng-FA has the ability to provide customized, cost-effective products complemented by complete and accurate after-sales service. We are able to create the greatest value for customers. By strict quality control as the basis and take high quality, orderly as our mission. Herng-FA technology team has rich experience and profound technology, and they build a rigorous process of production process. Every detail will be requested to be exact and approached to as perfect as possible. We insist on providing the best quality to customers. Root in Taiwan and reach out to the world towards globalization. Good service and first-class quality is the business philosophy that Herng-FA insisted on. We provide the highest quality and competitive price. It is deeply affirmed by the industry in this highly competitive market, and thus win the trust and appreciate from global enterprises. In the future, the management team of Herng-FA will hold the philosophy of dedication to quality, service with our heart, and make customer satisfaction. By using many years of accumulated experience and expertise, we will continue to optimize the manufacturing process and serve our customers wholeheartedly. To meet the needs of our customers is the first task of Herng-FA.